welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so we have a big day here today, and we're gonna go cut to the tornado chase because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're back. So, okay, so there's a tornado coming, and this is a perfect time for an intercept. We might make it. So this might be my first intercept on the channel that's not laggy, because my first two videos, they were really laggy and I got an intercept. So it was really laggy. So I really do hope that I'm going to be able to go get an intercept, and this is a multi-vortex. This is a natural multi-vortex. But anyway, what was I going to say again? If you guys were wondering why I didn't post in such a long, I was basically schoolwork and a bunch of other things. That was just good. But we're going to intercept. We're going to intercept. Okay. Keep driving. Alright, deploy. Stop the car. Why is the car not stop? Deploy. Oh my god, deploy. Alright, we're deploying. Direct intercept. We just have flashback right there. Oh my god, we're intercepting. We're intercepting. Oh my god, look at the debris. Did you see that? Oh my god. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 60, we're at 170, 70, 80, 180, we're down to 70. Oh, it's over. What an intercept. Let's go. Alright, let's do this. Come on. And deploy. We are gonna come around for another intercept, maybe. I think we are. Let's do this. Turn around. That counted as an intercept. That counted as an intercept. That was a direct intercept there. Direct intercept. I will never get that again, but direct intercept. That was a direct intercept. I'm very proud of that. Alright. I don't know if this thing is going 90 degrees northeast, but I think it's going northeast. I'm going to keep moving up north, so I don't get caught, and I can maybe keep doing it. I might be able to get another intercept if there's a turn coming. If there's not a turn, I don't know what I'm going to do. But if there's a turn, I can find a tornado, I'm going to get an intercept. I'm really mad about these gravel roads, but I got to keep going. So, yeah, so the reason why I was busy with schoolwork, a lot of other stuff, with my family and stuff. But yeah, so I was really busy. I'm gonna drive into the tornado. It's risky, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drive into the tornado. Okay, there's a turn. That's exactly what I needed. I asked for it. Let's go. I asked for it. Alright, sorry. Yeah, oh my god. I'm drifting. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, roundabout. I don't know if I'm gonna make this. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm just gonna drive into it. I'm just gonna fully drive into it. I don't care, bro. I gotta stop and say no, bro. Alright, the vortex goes around the road, bro. Alright, come on, I see them. Oh, we're definitely in it. Oh my god. Oh, okay, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 170, 180, 170. Oh, alright. It's back to 130. Oh, it's going up 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Drive. Oh my god. That had to be the best intercept I ever had. Alright, there's a turn. Is it gonna switch? Please don't switch, please, bro. I just got on this turn, I might make it. Don't switch. Please don't change directions. Please don't change directions. Don't change directions, please. Don't change directions, please. Please don't change directions. Alright. Come on. Go for an intercept. I'm allergic to tornadoes. We're going for an intercept. Oh god. Okay. Parking in the street. Oh my god. Deploy. Street down. Please don't be the street doesn't collapse on the Dominator free. Come on. Please. Oh my god, debris. Look at all the debris. 170. Oh, it's going down. 180. Right down to 180. It's peaking out 194. Oh, okay. Those are so powerful. That's a powerful multi-board that's in. Oh my god. Yo. Alright, we're in the point. We're gonna drive over there. Real close. That was real scary. Coming up real close there. Okay. Oh, come on, let's drive. See, come on my road. No. Come on the other road. Right? Alright, let's keep driving. Let's just keep driving. This is real. Let's go. Real drive. Right. Come up. Alright. Look at that. Goodness, look at this. Come on. Drive. Alright, I'm just gonna go off-road. That's the only way I know people can get into stuff. Come on, please. Drive faster. Come on. We're so far away I can't even see it. It turned out getting fast speed on that road. It's coming real fast, bro. It's coming real fast, bro. Too bad. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it, bro. I might not be able to make it. This is really bad. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. Coming up real close here, bro. I'm so close, though. That's why I don't understand. Why can't I just go get this? I'm so close, bro. Come on, let's just go try, bro. I'm so close. Come on, let's do this. I'm so close. Yeah, it's coming up on the gravel road. Come on. Is that gravel or is that just a road? I think that's gravel. Oh, okay, it's starting to hit. Oh no. Come on. We made it, drive. I'm just gonna have to do another one intercept when I get in there. Okay, come on, I'm so close. Come on, just keep going. Come on, drive faster. We're in it. Stop. Oh my god, 120. Come on. It's in front of us. It's in front of me. Oh my god. We'll try and get it with the drone. We're gonna go try getting it with the drone. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it inside of it, but I'm definitely gonna be able to go get a photo shot of this. Oh, look at it. Do whatever that is. I don't even know. Alright, look at this. I can't even speak right now. Oh my god, look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful. Oh, I see dust. Oh my gosh. Let me just find it. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Just wow. This game never feels good. Yeah, it's starting to fall off me. Okay, I need to Wi-Fi's been cut out. The work was too far. Wow, that's crazy. That's all I have to say. Wow. Just wow. That's beautiful. Jeez. This is crazy. This is just crazy. It's starting to end, I think. Oh, there's another storm. I don't think I'm gonna go for these. There's a bunch. I don't think I'm gonna go for these. Was a good intercept, good try, good at everything. I'm gonna go head back to base. Get a drink, watch the storm, shit himself. So I'm not gonna end it here. I'm starting to come off. to it. Waves on the board. So we're going to just take the board. The airbags are coming up. The airbags are coming up. Airbags are coming up. That's good. That's good. The airbags are trying to come. Oh, the airbags are trying to come up. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, the airbags are trying to come up. Alright, are they up? Airbags are up. Airbags are up. Let's go. Let's head on. Gonna head over to. No intercept. Just down. Now, that was real good. That's what that's all I have to say. That's real good. I'm gonna go with calm down now. I feel like I should miss. Oh, that one's generation. We'll calm down the next ones. See if they can tell me anything about that. Now I'm gonna go up and talk to my buddies at TWS and everything. They're probably raiding the stores right now. There's Cappy blocks. No, not Cappy blocks. So, there's Capybara and Seedkin. I remember. Alright, I'm gonna go. I need to go. Report my reports to the National. So, it was a real fun time. Good intercept. I hope everybody gets really good.